Crash Course Instrumentation, Saturday Special. Occam's Razor, the smartest tool in your troubleshooting kit. Intro. Welcome to another Crash Course Instrumentation Saturday Special. Today we're going way back, medieval monk back, to learn a concept that can level up your troubleshooting game. Occam's Razor. It's not a blade. It's not even a tool. It's a way of thinking that will help you cut through complexity and zero in on the real problem. Faster, cleaner, and smarter. What is Occam's Razor? Named after a 14th century English friar, William of Occam, this principle says, the simplest explanation that fits all the facts is usually the correct one. It's not about being lazy, it's about eliminating unnecessary assumptions. That's the razor. You shave off the extra guesses and focus only on what's essential. Why it matters in instrumentation. Let's say a motor doesn't start. You could think, the PLC is bad, the VFD failed, the motor burned out, the safety circuit tripped, the stars are out of alignment. But Occam's Razor would ask, is there one thing that could explain everything? Like a blown fuse. That's one fault causing all the symptoms. Real-world example, the oven test. Remember that case from the switches module? An oven has 3 heating elements. The 200W element didn't heat. Could be the switch, or the heater, or wiring, but then all 3 elements stop working. Now Occam's Razor kicks in. It's unlikely all 3 elements failed at once. More likely, a single upstream issue, like an open wire or a blown fuse. One fault explains everything. Diagnosing like a scientist. When you troubleshoot, you're really doing science. You form a hypothesis, e.g., fuse is blown. You run a test, measure voltage, continuity, etc. You revise your theory based on what you learn. Occam's Razor helps you start with the cleanest, most likely hypothesis. Common I&E traps Occam helps avoid. Don't jump to rare or exotic faults first. Don't assume 3 things broke at once unless you have evidence. Don't replace good parts because of guesswork. Instead, look for a root cause that explains the whole system's behavior. Think top-down. One broken supply affects many branches. Ask, if I fix this one thing, would everything else make sense? Training your razor, this is a muscle. You can sharpen it. Try this. Build the habit of thinking in possibility trees. After each fix, ask, was this the root cause or a symptom? Challenge yourself to explain failures with fewer assumptions. Tip. In PLC and analog loop troubleshooting, Occam's Razor often points you to the power supply, common wiring, or bad sensor grounding. Not 5 individual faults. Wrap up, Occam's Razor isn't just a philosophy class idea. It's how smart techs work faster. Next time you're troubleshooting, don't go looking for zebras when you hear hoofbeats. Ask yourself, what's the simplest, most complete explanation for what I'm seeing? Like and subscribe for more real-world insight. Join our Facebook group, link in the description. Thanks to Tony Coupault and the open-source Model community, ep5.ibiblio.org Coupault, Socratic Model Index M.